Hi, this is Shelley Sparks. I'm here at Sunland Water Garden and in Sunland near Los Angeles, and I wanted to just talk a little bit about water features, because they have really beautiful water features here. And what they've done, there are several different features, and they've used different kind of rock, and I really want to show you what they've done, because I've seen many jobs where the rock work is actually not done very well. So here you can see it's a dark colored granite. The shapes of the rocks are very craggy, and they are arranged in a very pleasing manner. It's you can see it looks very natural, almost if you saw this bigger feature. If you saw it as a bigger feature, you could almost pluck it out of the Colorado mountains or something. Here, the rocks are more indigenous to our area, and they're more of a brown color. The shape of the rocks is smoother, and you can see how the rocks are arranged in a more horizontal manner, and so again, it really is more indicative of the rocks that are put together are also arranged in a way that you would find them naturally. And yet a third example over here, you can see the rocks are all rounded, and again arranged in a really wonderfully natural way that is very pleasing and very natural-like. So when you're considering a water feature, a natural water feature like this, make sure that the people that are building it have a good handle on how to arrange the rocks so that it really looks natural. This is Shelley Sparks. If you'd like more information about landscape design, check out my website, www.harmonygardens.net. Thanks for listening.